reliability, security, precision, stability, durability, refined, convenient, versatile. Large screen and bellow waveforms for flaminar tubes, oxygen and nitrous oxide linkage, aluminum magnesium alloy material, high temperature sterilization resistant, APL valve quick exhaust function, lift the handle to quickly release airway pressure to prevent the patient's airway pressure from being too high. The external suspension structure is advanced. Replacing the solder line is much easier and faster. The sealing ring is less susceptible to wear and tear. It is reusable. High capacity, high precision dual tank anesthetic vaporizer. Features automatic flow, pressure, temperature compensation. Select attack interface, pour film method. Compatible with a variety of anesthetic tanks. It offers multiple ventilation modes, such as volume control mode and pressure ventilation mode, suitable for the ventilation needs of different surgical patients. The external suspension is sturdy and heat-resistant. The breathing tube and mask are available in disposable or silicone materials. The rapid oxygenation button quickly increases the oxygen concentration and expels residual anesthetic gases. Comprehensive monitoring features provide intuitive patient monitoring, pneumatically operated, electrically controlled ventilator for smooth operation. Offers closed, semi-closed, and fully open anesthesia modes. 3 fresh gas compensation mechanisms ensure accurate gas delivery. An optional oxygen source port provides dual protection for patients.